Hi, are you up to the challenge? Now, what challenge am I talking about? So, it is a soup challenge and with exciting giveaways. So, in a celebration of my upcoming birthday next Thursday, I decided to do something interesting and something beneficial for this community, people in my Facebook group. Now, you need to be a part of this Facebook group to participate. Simple, 3 steps. 1 is choose a soup that suit your health needs, your taste buds from my app, right? Or my free ebook. Then, second is just to brew the soup and make a short video of maybe a part of the process or the finished product, but it needs to be a video. Just a short video, doesn't need to feature you if you're shy or anything. And the third one, very important, is to comment with that video post. In this Facebook post, right? Comment with that video and let me know how does it taste, how do you like it, and that's all you need to do. Anyone who take up this challenge, right, will receive gifts of soup packs worth $30, Sing dollars, $30 from me, or the equivalent value. That means if you're overseas and if I cannot, it's not possible to deliver or post the soup packs to you because of freshness purpose, then I will give you something equivalent. Maybe it's a cash value or something voucher value, right? That's of the equivalent value. Now, why am I doing this? It is really because, right, I want to really give the community.
Guys.
Hello. Yeah, I really want to give to the community. I really would like, people not just to watch, people not just to, enjoy or get the knowledge only, but also to do something about it. Try, right? There are some very, very simple soup recipes in the app or the ebook, right? Some of the ingredients are very easily obtained, so you can check it out, right? And so I really want people to brew it for themselves for many reasons. One is for health reasons, right? Second is, of course, when you do something yourself for your family, they can really feel the love, and you also will feel that you are contributing, and then that process will be very happy as they drink your soup, as you see them enjoying the soup, right? You will really feel that satisfaction and that fulfillment that money can't buy at all. Yeah, so that's really it. The conditions are simple. You just really need to follow that 3 steps, right? And that's it really. You can make as many soup as you like, but each person only get 1 and 3 chance, right? And it's not like a lucky draw. It's not that, whoever who participate, then there will be only a limited number of winners. No, anyone who participated in this challenge will be a winner, right? I really just want to give this as part of my birthday. So the offer or this challenge will end on November 26th. Singapore afternoon, 12 p.m. time, right? And after that, I will then decide to close it off, and then I will just give to whoever who participate in this challenge. There's no gimmick, there's nothing, there's nothing else you need to do really, and I do not need anything else from you as well. It's really just brew the soup, make a short video as proof of that you made the soup, right? I don't want a picture because, it has to be a soup, and just let me know. Post that video as a comment in this FB post, and then just let me know what soup is that, because I have all the names of the soup, right? What soup is that? Let me know the name of the soup. How do you like it, right? How do your family like it? That's it, or anything else you want to say. And that's really it. That's all I need to do. Now, I'm not really concerned, right? Because the last time, you can check the history, right? I have given gifts before to people who have participated in my contests or in my giveaways. There's really no gimmick, and you can check with the people who receive it. Everything is very transparent, right? It has been done before in my Facebook page, Queen Cock, or my Facebook group as well, right? Health Secrets with Herbs. So really, I just want to, yes, I really just want to give it away, and I really just want to, encourage. I really just want to spread this message so that more and more people will really experience the power of herbs and soups, because soups is a very simple way and very tasty and nutritious way to take in the benefits of herbs. Yeah, and this is just my mission to really advocate the health, spread the message that people can protect themselves, their health of their families through nutritious and healthy soups, right? That people, even children, will love as well. Yeah, so that's all really I have for today. I really look forward to a lot of people joining this challenge, and I just would like to share this message around, right? Now, so please, you can share this video, you can share this FB post so that more people can benefit from this, right? Thank you so much and have a good day.